There are a lot of situations in everyday life, like at the airport, at your office, at the train station, etc., where you need to read time. Let's learn how to do that in German. Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German for Beginners. In the previous lesson you learned negative articles. In this lesson you will learn how to read time in German. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for learning German for free and in the easiest way. We offer structured courses for A1, A2, B1 and B2 and a variety of topics from grammar and vocabulary to common mistakes one can make in German. You can visit our page on patreon.com to get free worksheets, podcasts, transcripts, early access to our videos and more. Lektion 22. Zeit. Offiziell. Die Zeit. In plural, die Zeit. Before we begin, please make sure that you know how to read the numbers in German. Do watch lesson 3 and 4 of our video series where you can learn numbers 1 to 100. So, let's do some basic words before we begin with the time. Die Uhr, die Uhren. Die Uhr, die Uhren. Don't forget to repeat after me. In German, we use the same word for clock and watch. Die Woche, die Wochen. Die Woche, die Wochen. Eine Woche hat 7 Tage. To learn the weekdays in German, you can watch our video on Wochentage. Weekdays. Der Tag, die Tage. Der Tag, die Tage. Ein Tag hat 24 Stunden. Die Stunde, die Stunden. Die Stunde, die Stunden. Eine Stunde hat 60 Minuten. Die Minute, die Minuten. Die Minute, die Minuten. Eine Minute hat 60 Sekunden. Die Sekunde, die Sekunden. Die Sekunde, die Sekunden. Now there are other things you need to know before we do time. Time can be read in a 12-hour format or in a 24-hour format. In offizielle Zeit. The 12-hour format in Germany is used for unofficial situations. For example, when you're talking to friends or family. Offizielle Zeit. The 24-hour format in Germany is used mostly in official situations. For example, while listening to radio or at an airport or a train station. In this video, we'll be doing offizielle Zeit. When you're asking about time, you generally come across 2 questions. Wie spät ist es? Wie spät ist es? Or you can ask, wie viel Uhr ist es? Wie viel Uhr ist es? Let's learn how to answer this. Es ist 1 Uhr. Do remember, when it comes to time, you don't say 1 Uhr, you just say 1 Uhr. Similarly, you would say, es ist 2 Uhr. Es ist 6 Uhr. Similarly for the following hours. Es ist 10 Uhr. And es ist 12 Uhr. Now when the 12-hour clock has finished, you would say, es ist 13 Uhr. So, you would keep saying that for the following hours. Es ist 15 Uhr. After this, 16, 17, and so on. Here you would say, es ist 20 Uhr. The next one, es ist 23 Uhr. Basically, if you know the numbers in German, reading out time is not difficult. This one is very simple. Es ist 0 Uhr. Let's get into the details now. Es ist 1 Uhr 5. Es ist 1 Uhr 10. Es ist 1 Uhr 15. Es ist 1 Uhr 20. Es ist 1 Uhr 25. Es ist 1 Uhr 30. Es ist 1 Uhr 35. Es ist 1 Uhr 40. Es ist 1 Uhr 45. Es ist 1 Uhr 50. Es ist 1 Uhr 55. Es ist 2 Uhr. Reading out time in the 13th, 14th, or 15th hour would be similar. For example, es ist 13 Uhr 15. Or another example, es ist 15 Uhr 30. Es ist 17 Uhr 42. In the case of official time, all you have to do is read out each and every hour and minute. Übung. Let's do an exercise to see how much you have learned. Wie spät ist es? Do let me know what time it is. So here's the first one. And your answer should be, es ist 20 Uhr 45. Let's do another one. And your answer should be, es ist 11 Uhr 57. And here's the last one. Es ist 22 Uhr 28. Wonderful! Do let me know what your watch or clock says right now. Do write it in the comments below. In the next lesson, we'll be learning in official time. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. To practice what you have learned, become a patron free of cost and download a free worksheet from our page on patreon.com. All links can be found below in the description. You can also gain access to our transcripts by becoming a $1 patron and to our podcasts by becoming a $5 patron. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, You can leave them in the comments section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!